Well, I thought I tried out all the different barkTHINS, but then I found they have a dark chocolate and pumpkin seed with sea salt. Definitely interested in that. Always buying the loose papitas at the store, so big fan of the sunflower seeds. Looks like I didn't cut low enough on that, so we'll try that again. Really like the dark chocolate with all the other barkTHINS. It's a good flavor. See what it looks like in here. How many you get? Very pretty loaded with the seeds. Broke apart. It was so full of seeds there. Looks like they're all like that too. Again, really good chocolate. The seeds give it a real kind of substance, and different than peanut for sure. You know, they're not overpowering like the peanut. You know, there's something in there, and it's not crunchy like the pretzels, and a little less nutty than even the almond. So, okay, these are probably my new favorite. As far as the sea salt, at least in that one, it wasn't overpowering. I guess there is some salt taste there. I really like these. So the pumpkin seed and sea salt dark chocolate barkTHINS. I'm giving this one an 8 out of 10. Hope this helps.